Welcome to Tangier, Morocco. After a short minute flight, I landed in Tangier, and the amount of crowd at the airport was like crazy, and I was like, what is going on here? But after waiting around for about 30 minutes, I got in. So if you're in a hurry, you can't be in a hurry and land in Tangier. When I landed, that's the way every day goes. Welcome to Morocco. So I just changed some money here. The taxis do not take your card. They don't take cards. So I just came to change some money. And this is like 50 euros and it's 500 dirhams. I'm good to go. This is my first time here. And Tangier is not giving the vibe. I mean, it's not giving African vibe, if you know what I mean. It's a beautiful place. So far, it's beautiful. So I landed at the airport. I didn't even take any taxi. I boarded the bus right away. And after like an hour, I got to the town, to the city. And despite the city being a major city, it's still green. Everything is calm. This is some kind of street food. I'm definitely coming back to try that. Tangier was different. Tangier is the northernmost part and the closest part to Europe. Tangier is not giving African vibes at all. It is so European, it is so Spanish. Everything is calm. I was just thinking, as a Lagos developer, or more see opportunity for this place. After exploring a few places, I decided to try the local dish. Trying to go get some local food here. Oh boy, Moroccan food is on another level. It is very, very different, especially the food that I first tried called Tangier. Man, that was one of the best things I tasted. So I enjoyed my food. I will give my dish like an 8/10. But bro, at the end of the day, nothing beats a Nigerian dish. Nothing beats my Nigerian dish. So I decided to go back to my hotel and get ready to enter the city for a video shoot. But then, rain decided to bless the day. So I called it a quit that night. Walking in the street market here in Tangier. It's a rainy morning, and I'm not letting this rain mess up my video. You know, I've been walking around the streets of Tangier, and you have this low-key hill. I think it's a little bit hilly, and you don't need to go to the gym for cardio. I tell you, if you live here, you get your steps in every day. That is full cardio. And behind me is Spain. That's Europe. So look at the distance from here in Africa to Europe. So close. You can't complete your trip to Tangier, Morocco without trying this coffee right here. Cafe Hafa. It came highly recommended, so I'm gonna try it. I hear it's one of the best. And that is Spain. Right here, you could be sipping your coffee from Africa and looking at Spain. If one thing about me is that, you know, I love nature and this makes me happy. But I love this thing. This bad weather won't spoil anything for me at all. Thank you, Tangier. My stay has been wonderful. I enjoyed every bit of it. Come with me as we explore the next city in Morocco, a city called Rabat. Watch out. Right here, the train station, Tangier, and I'm catching the 11 o'clock train to Rabat, Morocco. Yeah, this is the bullet train.